Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to start accepting payments on your Wix website, Wix Payments is one of the easiest options. So, in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you all how to actually set up Wix Payments in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you open basically your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet as well. Go and look for Wix.com in your favorite browser, then select this website. It will take you to a new window automatically where you should just log in using your email address and password. After this, you will be able to see this dashboard. So we're gonna go all the way to tap on settings here or this gear icon. We're gonna go and look for this finance and payments. As you see guys, we have accept payments is choose the way you get paid by customers. So I'm gonna go and check this one. You're gonna wait for some seconds. So as you see guys, payment methods for, well, basically they're gonna tell you some payments methods for some countries. It's not always available in your country. So for me, I have PayPal here, and I have this manual payments that allows you to accept cash, check, or other custom forms. See more payment options as well. So for you guys, you will be able to see this Wix payment method, just accept it, enter your business details, just fill in your business info including address and contact details, add then bank information, enter your bank account to receive payouts, then verify your identity, upload any required documents for verification, then enable payment methods, turn on credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even others. So all you're gonna do now is tap on connect, then save. Make sure everything is saved properly, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.